How to fix a computer that won't connect to the internet or to the Wi-Fi. If you're having such problem, all you need to do is take off the back of the computer. I've already taken off the back of my computer already, and search for this chip here. It carries a white wire and a black wire. Simply remove the screw, just one screw. Once you remove the screw, the chip will ease up. Pull it out. Pull it forward again. Try and get out the screw fully. Okay. Screws out. Hold it on. It's very hard there. Okay. Now that is it. All you got to do is remove these two parts. Removing this one, and that is it. This is what gives your computer or laptop Wi-Fi. So just replace this, buy a new one, and install it once more. Then you'll have internet to your computer.